Welcome, in front of me is a RugGear RG850, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your app tray, and go into the Files app right here. Tap on the menu, which is right here, the 3 bars, and choose your SD card, which for me is SanDisk, as you can see right here. Tap on it, and it will take you to the storage, and from here you want to again tap on 3 dots and go into the storage settings, from where you will find format option. Tap on it, gives you a message that will remove all data, so if there's anything that you would like to keep on the card, you might want to back it up before you begin this process. But assuming you already done that or you have nothing there that you wish to keep, tap on erase and format. Process will begin. It takes just several seconds for a cook on, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used again. So right then, tap on done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.